Hi guys, so now it is time for our letter of the day. So our letter of the day is, I need a drum roll please so we can introduce it. Our letter is, say it if you know it, K. So today's letter is the letter K. And so the K makes the K sound. So you see my teeth are kind of apart. My mouth is open and I'm making the K sound. My tongue is kind of in the middle of my mouth. So if I go really close, you can see it goes K, like that. So that is how we say the letter K, and that's the sound that it makes. So now what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to write it with our pencils, and we are going to body spell it, which is super exciting. We haven't done it. We didn't do it yesterday, so we're going to do it today. So this is our letter K. This is our letter of the day. Guys, so we learned that today our letter of the day is the letter K, and it makes the K sound. So now we're going to do some hand writing for the letter K. So now I'm always going to write my name. So in pencil, we are writing our name. We're doing the best that we can. There we go. So I have my name written that way because we are practicing like we are in school. So if we are in school and you give me a piece of paper but you have no name on it, then I'm not going to know whose beautiful work is that paper is for. So we're practicing like we are in school. Now, if you think that writing your first name is super easy, I want you writing your last name now on papers. We have been working on that in small groups on writing our names. So if you have your first name easy peasy lemon squeezy, then you are going to write your last name also. So you're going to do your first and last name. That is my challenge to you. Now for the letter K, what's going to happen is I'm going to go from the top line and go straight down to the bottom. So it's just that straight line. Then you're going to go from the middle, so the dotted line, and you're going to go up on a diagonal like that. And then you're going to go on a diagonal down. So again, you're going to go top to bottom, middle and go up, middle and go down. Now I'm practicing it by myself. Top to bottom, middle to the top, middle to the bottom. You're going to keep doing that. If you find an easy way to do it, I want you to do what works best for you. So that is our uppercase K. Practice writing it. It's a little bit of a tricky one because it's a lot of lines where you're picking up your pencil. Now for my lowercase k, it's almost the exact same thing. The only difference is that I am going to stay almost completely underneath this dotted line. So the first line that I do is still the same. That does not change. But what does change is when I go from here, I'm going to go from the middle of the bottom to the middle. So I'm going to go from here, up, here, down. So I'm almost completely underneath my middle line. I'm not going all the way back to my top line. So when I practice that by myself, I go from the top line to the bottom, and then I'm going to say underneath this middle line. And that is how we do the lowercase k. So the uppercase and the lowercase look very close to each other, but one is just underneath this dotted line, which is common. It's something that we've seen a lot in a lot of our letters. In most of our letters, the lowercase is underneath that dotted line, and then our uppercase is from the top all the way down to the bottom. So keep practicing, trace it, write it, do your best, use your very best handwriting, and you got this, guys. Hi guys, so now it's time for body spelling. So I have always my picture here to show us what it looks like, and then I'm going to draw on it so that we can see where the K is. So remember, we're doing our letter K right now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from a line from the top of my arm down my whole body, just like that. Then this is like my middle, and I have go up, and then I go down where my leg is. So that is our letter K. And so this is how we body spell it. So now what I want us to do is I want us to stand up. So you're going to stand up with me just like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to practice doing our letter K. So you're going to reach one arm up to the sky. You're going to get your leg and you're going to put it out like this. Then you get your arm and you're put it up like that. And this is how we're going to make our letter K. So now that you've practiced it, you know how to do it. So we're going to put our arms back down. We're going to run in place. So we're running in place. When I say the letter K, you're going to go like this really quick and try to make it as fast as you can. So we're running. K. Good job. All right, run in place. You can go as fast as you can. You can go as slow as you want. So we're doing it. We're running however you want. And I'm going to say letter K. And we have to go like that. All right, we're going to do it one more time. So you're running as fast as you want or as slow as you want, however you want to do it. But you're running in place. You're not running around your house. And we're going to do letter K. Oh, good job, guys. Well, thank you so much for doing body spelling with me, and I will see you guys next time.